Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 BMW 425i xDrive. This one's in Alpine white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights. 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A beige leather interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, you've got our xDrive 420i badging. Set all season floor mats, fold down rear seats. Alongside, this one does come with keyless entry, nice brown wood trim, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera with sensors, hard keys for a media display, dual climate controls, heated seats, 8-speed automatic transmissions, some more buttons for our infotainment center, sports and EcoPro suspension mode. This BMW has 50,868 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this BMW, check out feldmannimports.com.